Hello and welcome to the video. Now, Drone Authority has been open since the 1st of December and I haven't been talking about who actually owns the new shop, but I'm sure some of you have already figured out. It's Ben and the team behind things like the 3DXR and some other storefronts too. So Drone Authority has continued to stock and put all the things that they've been ordering up onto the website. However, one of my recent trips up to 3DXR to have a look at what they're doing also gave me the chance to look at some of the latest stock that's coming in for the Drone Authority stuff too, which I'm very excited about because not only do I get to see some of the high-end stuff that Ben does for professional prosumer style builders, but the stuff that I use on a daily basis as a hobby grade flyer too. So while I was there, I took the opportunity to ask Ben to lay out some of the latest stuff that he's got in for Drone Authority so we could take a look.
So on Drone Authority, we're trying to stock a range of components for people building their own drones. Those of you will know that on 3DXR we love T-Motor. We stock a huge range of their larger items. So what we've done with Drone Authority is we have the full range of T-Motor FPV products. So that's ESCs, 4-in-1 ESCs, even a flight controllers now, and a large range of their motors. Here's an example of the F60, and if you watch one of Lee's most recent videos, you'll have seen him use the F40s in his build. We're really happy with the quality of T-Motor, so we're excited to introduce their FPV range onto Drone Authority. We also stock a large range of iFlight, so they make all sorts of components, batteries, lights, frames, and what we've chosen to do is try and stock a large amount of sort of bind and fly. So here's an example, the Defender 25. So this one here is a digital system. This model has the DJI air unit built in, and for those people that just want to get out there and fly, we've got a large selection of iFlights ready to fly FPV drones. So this particular model comes in a smaller 16 and a 20, and this is a 4S25 version, all just ready to go in minutes. So for all the analog flyers, we have a range of cameras and VTXs. We also stock a range of the DJI products. So here's the Vista kit. We also have on the way the DJI goggles. As you'll see, a lot of the bind and fly products we have will also work with DJI, so that would be something to complement that. For those of you looking to get into HD, we have the full range of Walk Snail, and at the time of making this video we have Goggles X in stock now. They are a very nice piece of kit. We also have all of the Avatar cameras and transmitters. We've got the Pro versions. Every product from Walk Snail is here or arriving, and we have good stock levels at the moment. So now is a good time to buy these products ready for your spring flying. We also have the full range of Toolkit RC, so here's a small example of some of their chargers and testers. I'm a big fan of some of their servo testers. I use them every day, but we have the full range of Toolkit RC chargers, testers, watt meters, and also some of their smaller accessories, cable converters. They're in stock. We also have in stock at Drone Authority all the latest Torvald bags and accessories. Here's an example of their Pro Elite pit stop backpack. I keep finding pockets on this one. This is a really high quality product, ample number of pockets, pouches, straps, and this is going to safely get your drone to the field. They also produce a nice range of battery bags to keep yourself safe, so fireproof bags, a range of straps. So we have basically every Torvald backpack in stock now on Drone Authority. Yeah, so keep an eye on the Drone Authority website. We're adding new products all the time as they arrive. Our goal is to stock large quantities of the best products, the latest products coming out. One of the things we like to do really well is to ship products to people quickly. So normally same day dispatch, most stuff's next day. We're currently shipping to the UK and Europe. International options will be available in the immediate future. But our goals are to have the best products, large stocks, and get them to you quickly to keep you flying for longer.
Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, And as always, happy flying.